The black-winged stilt is an elegant wader. Their long pink legs are striking as they are walking on the shallow foraging. The species inhabits shallow wetlands of the temperate and tropical area, feeding on a variety of aquatic and aerial invertebrates. In the breeding season from May to July, the black-winged stilts form monogamous pairs to build nests by the open wetlands and breed. Interestingly, the species usually nests within small colonies, participating in communal nest defense against avian and mammalian predators.